empowering them to become the best version of themselves through spirituality. Involves fostering a sense of inner strength, purpose, resilience, faith, and deeper connection to our beloved Creator, often through practices like meditation and prayer. I believe that spirituality can help us women discover our best version and discover our divine purpose. Through spiritual growth, we can create a positive, healthier, and strongest impact on the entire family and community. Many people believe that mental and emotional health is the main problem, but they are blind. They neglect the most important one, which is the spiritual growth. Neglecting the spiritual aspect can lead us to feeling of inclusiveness and a lack of deeper connection to something larger than oneself. I believe spirituality is the only one effective antidote to stress, anxiety, and depression, knowing that there is nothing impossible to our beloved Creator. I believe that spirituality, we need to become spiritually empowered to overcome all the